You ready? Okay. All right, what's up, guys? So I have got a snowboard that just arrived today. I had previously, last year I picked up this Jones flagship. This is the one, I think it's a 158 or 159 wide. And absolutely love it, but it's a pretty stiff board. And now, granted, I'm not like some expert reviewer or whatever, but I've been riding for a long time. My very first board was actually a Burton Cruiser 165 back in 1987. And one of my favorite boards that I had was a 155 Burton Brian Iguchi, and it was a twin tip, pretty lightweight. So after riding this for a season, I thought it'd be cool to have another board, but I wasn't really like, really hardcore about finding one. And then one of my boys told me about this company called Motherboards, and I'm Catholic, and this is a company that does a lot of stuff, well, all of their stuff is Catholic imagery and so forth. And so I had to buy one, and it just got here today. And it's called the Ave Maria. It's made by Never Summer, which was the other company I was actually considering when I got this Jones. And it's just, for me, one of the big things is the graphics on a lot of the snowboards. It may seem a little bit silly to some people, but I've got kids and I don't want, in fact, my daughter, Teresa, is taking the video right now. I don't want to support companies that are putting out what I would consider to be offensive graphics and stuff. So that being said, when I ordered this, I requested the yellow base with the black writing, and they said, yeah, that's great. They sent it out to me, or they said, oh, at the last minute, we don't have any more of those. So they sent me the black one, and to kind of compensate, their customer service, Lisa, sent me this box, which I don't know what's in it. So we're gonna open that too, which is pretty cool. So that being said, let's get started and see what this looks like. The flex on the board, they said, is a 6 out of 10 for Never Summer. So yeah, we'll see what we got. Okay, so the graphics, right offhand, you can come in here a little bit closer and see as I pull this off. It looks pretty awesome in my opinion. Well, let me grab my knife to cut that. I really like the font on the bottom, is super cool. Now, one of the things I did not ask them is which of the Never Summer boards this is modeled after. I don't know if it's the West, or I'm thinking it's kind of like the West because it's the 6 out of 10 flex. Catherine, sit back down. Yeah, one of my daughters had to be in the room to watch. So I don't know which one it is, but let's take a look. I mean, that looks pretty cool. That looks really cool. And the top sheet, here, come in closer, Teresa. The top sheet is kind of a matte finish, but it's done really, really well. And you can kind of see down here, Never Summer, the rocker camber profile. So if you look at it from the side, I don't know if you can see it in the video, but there's a little bit of camber under the foot. And then of course rocker, tip and tail. And I don't know if you can tell looking down the side, you can kind of see the side cut that's there. And as far as the flex goes, that actually feels fairly stiff. Feels a little stiffer than what I would think is a 6 out of 10 compared to my Jones, which is, I mean, it feels fairly similar. This is definitely a little bit stiffer, but it should be. I mean, it's a Jones flagship. So you can kind of see the two side by side. Obviously a much wider board here. That was intentional. And it has the spoon nose and tail. If you're familiar with the Jones flagship, you already know all about that. And I'll try to post something else about the Ave Maria from Never Summer, like which model it is. I really don't know. Okay, so let's see what stuff they sent just for fun. I thought it was pretty cool that they offered to do that. The customer service was really good. Shipping was super fast too. Okay, check this out. So here's a small shirt. The material is super nice. It's like a lightweight. Okay, here's a large here. This is so cool. Oh, this is a different one. This is also a large. So we got a couple of larges there. Look at this. A couple of hats they sent. Those are pretty cool. And then here's another large. So they sent us 3 larges and a small. Look at this. They sent like some, look at this. Look at, they sent a note card. That's pretty cool. I appreciate your understanding on the deck color. Now you should have many opportunities. That's pretty cool. Oh, to send me some product pics of you and your family. Blessings, Lisa. That's pretty cool. And then these look like some little journals here, because I told him I have, yeah, this looks like it's a couple little journals here. I told him I have 7 kids, the oldest one being 18 and the youngest being 1 year old. So that's why they sent this whole variety of stuff. Look at this, this is pretty cool too. Just more like journals and little notepads. Here's a couple more. Gosh, they actually sent a lot of stuff. Another little notepad. Oh, that's pretty funny. So there's one of their skateboards there. They have some really cool skates too. And you can just go on to, Motherboard. It's actually loveyourmotherboards.com. But you could probably search Motherboards. You probably get a bunch of computer sites though at first. And then, gosh, look at this. So there's a bunch of stickers they sent too. Oh, these are temporary tattoos. That's so funny. And then bookmarks here. I'm not sure, what is this? I think those are stickers actually. Yeah, these are stickers here. So you can see loveyourmotherboard.com there. Really cool. They have a texture to them as well. And then just a bunch of other stuff. So, okay, I think that's it. I'm super happy with this. I think this is going to be a great board to ride, and look forward to getting it up on the mountain. So thanks for watching, and make sure that you take a look at Motherboards online, and hope you find some cool stuff there. Thanks.